Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salom. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and also share this video. Businessman Leeroy Sidambe's company, Sakile Ezeni Security Services, has allegedly failed to pay their employees, you guys. According to Mr. Kaula, security officers who are working for Leeroy Sidambe received half of their salaries for the month of July and were told that they will receive the rest on the 8th of August 2022, and it is said that till this day they have still not paid. Mr. Kaula also shared documents which promised employees that they should have been paid on the 8th of August, which reads as follows. This is to inform you that we will be paying the remaining of your July 2022 on the 31st of July 2022. The management of Sekile Ezwende wishes to express their most sincere apologies for all the inconvenience caused. We truly value your commitment and patience at these difficult times. Please do not hesitate to contact us on the HR number if you have more queries. Yours sincerely, Human Resource Department. Now there you have it guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.